Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best baby dog costume on the market. The TONWHAR Unisex-Baby Animal Costume Kids and Toddlers Winter Hooded Romper Dress-Up Jumpsuit. If you're looking for an adorable, comfortable, and practical outfit for your little one, this might just be the perfect fit. First off, let's talk about the material. The costume is crafted from high-quality flannel fabric that feels soft and cozy, making it ideal for keeping your baby warm during cooler seasons like spring and fall. Inside, it features a 100% cotton lining, which adds an extra layer of comfort and breathability to protect your baby's delicate skin. This means it's not only cute but also gentle and safe to wear for extended periods. What sets this romper apart is its thoughtful design. The costume features a hood with charming 3D animal details that add a playful and whimsical touch. It's not just about looks. The hood is soft and warm, offering protection for your baby's head while completing the adorable animal look. Plus, the unisex design makes it suitable for both boys and girls, so you don't have to worry about gender-specific styles. Convenience is another highlight here. The romper comes with a zipper closure that runs conveniently along the front, allowing for quick and easy diaper changes. Parents will appreciate how simple it is to dress and undress their little ones without any fuss, which is a huge bonus when dealing with wriggly babies. Durability is clearly a priority for the makers of this costume. Despite frequent washing, the romper holds its shape and vibrant colors well, thanks to the quality polyester flannel material. It's machine washable, so cleaning is hassle-free, and the costume maintains its softness and structure wash after wash. This costume is also versatile. While it's perfect for Halloween dress-up and costume parties, it doubles as warm playwear or sleepwear during chilly days. That means your baby can stay snug and comfortable whether they're out on an adventure or taking a cozy nap at home. Available in multiple sizes, this romper grows with your baby, covering the early months up to toddler years. There are several cute animal designs to choose from, including a dog, tiger, dinosaur, and more, so you can pick the one that best suits your little one's personality. In summary, the TONWHAR baby animal costume is a blend of comfort, cuteness, and practicality. It's made from soft flannel with a cotton lining, features an easy zipper for quick changes, and has a warm, adorable hood. It's durable and machine washable, making it a great addition to any baby's wardrobe for special occasions or everyday wear. If you want your baby to look absolutely adorable while staying cozy and comfortable, this romper is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.